In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from Google Sheets to Google Contacts or Gmail. By the end, you'll have your spreadsheet of names and email addresses neatly added to your Google Contacts, so they're ready to use in Gmail and across your Google apps. First, let's get your Google Sheet ready. Open the sheet that holds your contacts and make sure everything is organized in a clean tabular layout. Use a header row at the very top with clear column names such as first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Consistent headers help Google Contacts recognize and map your data correctly during import. If you are not sure about formatting, starting from a Google-provided contacts template can save time and prevent mistakes. Next, give your data a quick clean. Remove any blank or extra rows. Unmerge any merged cells and watch out for stray spaces before or after emails and names. Check that email addresses are valid and typed correctly. And keep phone numbers consistent, ideally, including the country code. If your spreadsheet has multiple sheets, confirm the one you want to export is the active tab. Keeping the data tidy now will make the import smooth and accurate. Once your sheet looks good, export it as a CSV file. In Google Sheets, go to the File menu, choose Download, and select comma-separated values. .csv, current sheet. Your browser will save a .csv file to your computer. Pick a memorable location and a simple name for the file, so it's easy to find in the next step. CSV is the format Google Contacts expects, and it preserves your rows and column headers for proper mapping. Now import the file into Google Contacts. In your web browser, open Google Contacts. On the left-hand sidebar, click Import. If you don't see the sidebar, click the main menu icon at the top left to reveal it. A dialog box will appear. Click Select File, navigate to the .csv you just saved, and select it. Then click Import, depending on how many contacts you have. This may take a moment. When it's done, your newly imported contacts will appear in Google Contacts, and they'll be available for autocomplete when you compose messages in Gmail. You may also see them grouped under an automatically created label, which makes it easy to review what was just added. That's it. Thanks for watching.